Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the "This unlicensed Adobe app has been disabled" issue. Now first off, make sure to check your license. Just ensure that your Adobe software is properly licensed. You can do this by logging into your Adobe account and verifying your subscription status. Next, you can also try reinstalling the software. Sometimes reinstalling the application can resolve licensing issues. Just make sure to uninstall the current version first. Next, ensure that you have the latest version of the Adobe software installed, as updates often include fixes for licensing problems. And finally, if the issue persists, reaching out to Adobe's customer support can help. They can provide specific guidance and troubleshooting steps to fix your licensing issue. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.